Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. In today's video we'll learn about check buttons. Check buttons basically options like the one you see when you read the agreement or license agreement. Once you install a new software, you will find two options. One say I accept and the other say subscribe me to the newsletter maybe. So that you check, you give it a tick, and that means you are agreeing or you want to subscribe to their email list or a newsletter. Anyway, so in Tkinter we can do that, and it's very simple and easy to use. So let's go ahead and see how we can deal with check buttons in Tkinter. And as always, let's go ahead and first delete some of this stuff on the window. So to make stuff easy and clear, let's delete everything actually and start from scratch. So import Tkinter as tk, then create our window equals to tk.tk. Give it a title. It's a good practice to always give your window a meaningful title. So title will be checkbox tutorial. And finally we reach to the point where we create a checkbox. So I will name it check button, and this equals to tk.check button, and of course we add it to the window. And I will add extra parameters. It's important to add extra parameters, but for now I want you to see how the check button looks like as bare bone or without anything. So check button dot back, and finally window dot main loop. So let's run it out and see how it looks like. Give it a minute. We already have instance running, and once we close it, here is our checkbox. Now we can check it and uncheck it. So we need some text to tell the user what does this checkbox or check button is doing or its purpose. So we say text equal to subscribe maybe. So this to tell the user maybe, hey, I want you to subscribe to something. And we have here a checkbox that you can check to subscribe to something. So other things we can do with a check button is to set its initial value. By default, let me run it one more time. You can see it's unchecked or deselected, but we can set it to be selected by default. The way we do that, say check button dot select. So now we run it and you see it's checked. Okay, how do we take the value? How do we know what value it has? Programmatically, of course. The way we do that is first we need a variable. So we say that a variable equals to tk int var, and then we say the text variable equal to var. Now let's create a button. So a normal button, btn equals to tk dot button, add it to window, and text equals to click, and finally command equals to get variable. Now we will define get variable, and it will be just print the console the variable value dot get. And of course, before I forget, button dot back. So now let's run it and see what kind of input we get. We have click and we get 0 for clicked, and click we get another 0. Now why we are getting 0? This is actually weird and it should not be 0. Let me see. I get the error. The error is that it's not a text variable, it's just a variable. So here, let's run it again, and we click, we get 1 because it's checked, and click again, we get 0 for unchecked. So it's a Boolean value, true or false, and that's how we do it. So that's it for me, guys, in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.